Welcome to my channel ASP.NET and SQL Academy. In this video, we will explore different ways to delete data from a database using SQL. Deleting data can be tricky, but with the right techniques, you can do it safely and effectively. We will discuss the delete queries with this sample employees data. Let us start with the basic. The delete statement allows you to remove records from your database. Here is the syntax. Delete from table where condition. For example, you can delete an employee by their EMP ID. This query removes the employee with the EMP ID 7 from the employees table. Be cautious. If you omit the where clause, you will delete all rows in the table. Always ensure you have a backup before executing such commands. Using conditions is crucial for safe deletions. For instance, if you want to delete all employees in the sales department, you would use delete from employees where department equals sales. To delete multiple rows at once, you can use the in clause. This is handy for removing specific records without multiple delete statements. Truncate removes all rows and resets identity values. Use it carefully. This query deletes employees where the department head is John. Delete with join helps in deleting records based on related tables. Always use select first before running delete to verify the data being removed. Always consider using transactions to safeguard your data. By wrapping your delete commands in a transaction, you can easily roll back changes if needed. Remember, deleting data is powerful action. Always double check your conditions. Practice with the sample data to master your SQL skills. We covered multiple ways to use delete safely. Try these queries and comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.